Hello everyone, welcome to Techno Hacks. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to know your Roblox ID. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to find your player ID on Roblox, then the process is quite simple. However, you won't be able to obtain your player ID from your Roblox application, so you'll need to access your Roblox website if you are using your mobile device. Simply open up your Safari or any other web browser and in the search box, search for roblox.com and perform your search. Log into your Roblox account by tapping on Continue in Browser and enter your credential for your Roblox in the login area. Once you are done entering your credential, click Login. Once you are logged into your Roblox account on a web browser, tap on the three bars at the top left-hand corner. Now, tap on the profile option from the expanded menu. Once you're inside your profile, go to the URL box at the top and give it a tap. You'll be able to see your Roblox player ID. The 9 digits that is inserted before your /profile is your ID. That is how you'll be able to find your unique player ID on Roblox. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.